What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the most unnoticed car in car race tycoon. And yes, unnoticed is a word. So I'm just loading my dealership quickly. And yeah. For those who don't know, this is my new avatar. It basically looks like the BMW M3 GTR, but the newer version. So yeah. So the bike that I'm going to be talking about is actually a motorcycle. Now, this motorcycle right here, I've maxed it, and it has a speed of 232 miles per hour, as in 373 kilometers per hour. Now, the reason why this is the most unnoticed is because I barely touched it for like 7 months, I think. I bought this in the trading offer for like 2,000 or 1,000. And yeah. Well, basically, the thing is that I maxed this bike out, obviously. And the thing is that it's quicker than the stock Lavish Volcano. I forgot which car this is. But yeah, when this thing is stock, it goes 360 kilometers per hour, as in 224 miles per hour. This motorcycle that I'm on right now, can reach speeds, no, it has like a very, very quick acceleration. Like really, really quick. I'm just gonna show you it right now. This accelerates really, really fast. Now, since this accelerates really fast, I'm pretty sure it's good in the endurance race, I think. I'm just gonna quickly do one lap on the endurance race. I'm gonna call my friend to see if he wants to. Oh my. Okay. Bro. Okay, he doesn't want to get into the race, and that's perfectly fine with me. So I'm quickly just gonna do one lap with this thing. Okay, now we need to wait like a really, really long time, so see you there. Okay, so I'm starting the race now, and boom, let's go. Okay, this is a really good bike. It's the most unnoticed bike if you've had it for like a long time, but if you just got it probably like 5 days ago, like 2 days ago, or just now, or probably today, and that means you have obviously noticed this bike already. And also, fun fact about me, I put all of my most rare cars or event cars or like generally my favorite cars on my favorites. So I have a lot of favorite cars and way too many dupes. I'm near 800 cars, and I'm also near 250 million. Because I've been playing this game a lot real late. Oh my god, lately, and I've gotten very good at it. So, well, basically, I need to return back to the Dealership Tycoon. I haven't played that game since ages. And I have like 2 million in that game. I played it yesterday because I didn't play it a lot back then. Like 3 months ago, I didn't play it a lot. Okay, so that was the end of the video. And yeah, if you like this video, then make sure to click that like and subscribe button. So, bye bye.